is Dr. Geeta Appachu. I am a psychologist with about 25 years in this profession. Have been dealing and working with and also learning from very healthy and happy people. Today we try and make an attempt if there is any kind of a connection between people who are recognized as HIV positive and what is this long wait for them to understand that is it now a progress towards AIDS. Most people in our society, be it educated or even be it people who have an access to different gadgets, they have been on their own in this long pursuit for understanding from the social media. Understanding and also getting a lot of awareness about what is this HIV all about, what is this AIDS all about, and what is the next step if at all one is recognized, diagnosed as HIV positive. Today there are a lot of people who are recognized as HIV positive and still with a lot of fear of now could it be AIDS. In this context, if we have to make an attempt of having the right knowledge, what should be our step towards working with ourselves once this diagnosis has been made, and how can we actually help people at large? Is this something that can be only among the lower middle class people? Is this something that is only prevalent among people who have no awareness? Well, no, that's not the case. Today, irrespective of education, irrespective of awareness, we see that there are incidences that has come in, but people, the first thing that they do once there has been such a diagnosis is denial. There is a major denial about this whole concept that has come in. Based on that kind of a denial, next what happens to this whole class or this whole group of people will be that they basically start repressing their feelings, their fears. There is a lot of stress, there is a sudden onset and a shoot up in their stress levels. Obviously, we are not just talking about HIV because that fear with this name itself has been there in our society in the past decade. Be it any other form of illness, don't we see that same kind of a heightened stress and heightened fear among people who have been diagnosed with, let us say, an onset of higher blood pressure, hypertension, or any other kind of illness like diabetes or even cancer for that matter. So once this mode of denial starts, then you find that people start isolating themselves. They start kind of distancing themselves away from their friends, colleagues at work, as well as sometimes you can even see that they keep away from, at least they keep this matter away from their own family members. Well, in my clinic I have seen where it is not just about denial, where they also talk about, please do not tell this to my own family members. When this is the situation, what is it that is required by people who have such issues, who have been diagnosed with HIV positive, and also people who are looking forward to helping colleagues, friends, family members, and even generally in society. Most importantly, once that there has been such kind of a detection, the next step is to start living a positive, healthy life for the rest of the time that the person is going to live. Well, it is all about enhancing quality. And what is it that we need to do? There is so much that we can do at this clinic, and that is all about psychoeducation. Then there is this cognitive coping strategies, there is behavioral coping strategies. And doing this, well, I don't think that this is actually written because people only keep reading for symptoms and what will happen and things like that. Instead of exaggerating, it is better that we start focusing on what can be done in order to live a better life from now on. What is the meaning of betterment? How can we actually make it better? Don't you believe that it is better that taking professional help, getting the right kind of suggestions, and also learning that there is life and there is a beautiful life amidst all this chaos in the head also, which can definitely be helped.